Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Rasmi Singh. Today we discuss Google Doodle. Top 5 important tips of Doodle. First, don't bind your hand with any tool in the doodling. Means you can use any tool for the doodling. If you bind your hands on the tools, then you can't draw. Second, do freehand doodle. If you do freehand doodle, you can draw anything. Your doodle can express personal and emotional expression. With the help of doodle, you can express personal and emotional expression. Improve observation skills. If you improve your observation skills in the doodling, then you can do perfect and fine work. Doodling will make your art fine to amazing. In the starting, your art of doodle will be fine. But if you do regular, then your art will fine to amazing. Thank you.